Yes.
So,
Describe your sleep routine.
okay, so, minsan kasi, hindi parehas yung schedule ko when it comes to sleeping because of work. So, I really have to make it a point na pag matutulog talaga ako, wala na akong ibang gagawin. I won't watch a movie, I won't eat, I won't like work out right before, it has to be just for sleep. And I'm the type of person na kung matutulog ako, kailangan wala talagang ilaw, walang sound. Sobrang solid ng feel. Kasi alam ko yung iba, gusto nila night-time. Yung iba may konting sound sa speakers
White noise or...
Pero ako kasi, yung routine ko talaga kailangan wala, as in sleep soundy talaga. And blackout curtains, gano'n. So, the moment nakita na ng katawan ko yun, at na-feel ko na okay, it's quiet, it's dark, that means it's time to sleep.
Nag-automatic
yun na
shutdown
yun,
na siya.
automatic.